Sam and Ali are sitting in a cozy cafe. They each have a cup of coffee. They are talking about how they learned to speak English. Ali, I'm so glad we could meet today. I wanted to talk about something important to us.
Of course, Sam, what is it?
Well, you know how much I love speaking English. It's something I'm very passionate about.
Yes, I know. You always speak English so well. How did you learn it so well?
Thank you, Ali. I learned English step by step. At first, it was hard, but I practiced every day.
That's great. I also learned English step by step. It helps me understand the world around me.
Exactly. English helps me share my ideas with others. It makes communication easier.
I agree. English opens many doors. It helps me learn new things every day.
How did you start learning English, Ali?
I started with simple books. I read children's stories. They were easy to understand.
That's a good idea. I also read books. At first, I read short stories. Now I read novels.
Novels are great. They have interesting characters and plots. Which novels do you like?
I like adventure novels. They are exciting. I also enjoy books about history.
I like history books too. They teach me about the past. I also enjoy reading science books.
Science books are interesting. They explain how things work. Do you read every day?
Yes, I try to read every day, even if it's just a few pages. What about you?
Same here. Reading every day helps me improve my English. I also listen to audiobooks.
Audiobooks are great. I listen to them when I'm traveling. They help me with pronunciation.
Yes, pronunciation is important. I also listen to podcasts. They are good for learning new words.
Which podcasts do you listen to?
I listen to podcasts about culture and history. Sometimes I listen to news podcasts.
That's nice. I listen to podcasts about technology. They teach me new things.
Technology is interesting. It changes so fast. English helps me keep up with it.
True, English is the language of technology. Many resources are in English.
Yes, that's why I love it. It connects me to the world.
Me too. English helps me understand people from different countries.
That's important. The world is becoming more connected.
Yes, it is. Speaking English makes it easier to travel too.
Definitely. When I travel, I can talk to people easily.
That's a huge advantage. Speaking English makes me feel more confident.
Confidence is key. The more you practice, the more confident you become.
That's true. I try to practice every day, even if it's just a little.
Small steps are important. They add up over time.
Yes, they do. I also watch English movies. They help me with listening skills.
Movies are a great way to learn. I watch them with subtitles.
Subtitles are helpful. They make it easier to understand.
Exactly. I also like to repeat what the actors say. It helps with speaking.
That's a good idea. I should try that.
You should. It's fun and helpful.
I will. Speaking of fun, do you play any English games?
Yes, I play word games. They help me learn new vocabulary.
Word games are fun. I play them on my phone.
Me too. They are a good way to pass the time.
And they help with learning. It's a win-win.
Absolutely. Learning should be enjoyable.
I agree. When it's fun, it doesn't feel like work.
Exactly. Do you have any favorite English words?
That's a good question. I like the word discover. It means to find something new.
That's a nice word. I like the word explore. It means to search and learn.
Both words are about learning. That's interesting.
Yes, learning is a big part of life.
True. English helps me learn every day.
Me too. It's a key to knowledge.
Well said, Sam. English is a powerful tool.
Thank you, Ali. I'm glad we share this passion.
Me too. It's nice to talk about it with you.
Definitely. We should discuss books more often.
Yes, we should. Maybe we can read the same book and talk about it?
That's a great idea. We can share our thoughts.
It will be like a book club, just the two of us.
I like that. We can learn from each other.
Exactly. Learning together is better.
Agreed. Do you have any book recommendations?
Yes, I'm reading a book about space. It's very interesting.
Space is fascinating. I would love to read that.
I'll lend it to you when I'm done.
Thank you, Ali. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, Sam. Do you have any books for me?
Yes, I'm reading a book about ancient civilizations. It's full of history.
That sounds interesting. I would like to read it.
I'll bring it for you next time.
Thank you, Sam. I look forward to it.
Me too. We can discuss it over coffee.
That sounds perfect. Coffee and books are a great combination.
They are. Do you drink coffee while reading?
Sometimes it helps me concentrate.
Same here. Coffee makes reading more enjoyable.
Yes, it does. Do you have a favorite place to read?
I like to read at home. It's quiet and comfortable.
I also read at home. Sometimes I read in the park.
The park is nice. Nature makes reading peaceful.
True, fresh air helps clear the mind.
It is. Do you read in the morning or at night?
I read at night. It helps me relax before bed.
I read in the morning. It helps me start the day well.
That's a good habit. I should try it.
You should. It's a great way to wake up.
I'll give it a try. Thank you for the suggestion.
You're welcome, Ali. I'm happy to help.
You're a good friend, Sam.
Thank you, Ali. You are too.
So, what's next for your English learning?
I want to improve my writing skills. I practice every day.
Writing is important. It helps organize thoughts.
Yes, it does. I also want to learn more idioms.
Idioms are fun. They make language colorful.
True. Do you know any idioms?
Yes, I know. Break the ice. It means to start a conversation.
That's a good one. I like piece of cake. It means something is easy.
That's a funny idiom. Cakes are not always easy to make.
True, but the idiom is useful.
It is. Idioms make English interesting.
They do. I enjoy learning them.
Me too. They add flavor to the language.
Well said, Ali. English is full of surprises.
It is. That's why I love learning it.
Same here. It's a never-ending journey.
True. There's always something new to learn.
Exactly. That's what makes it exciting.
I agree. Learning English is an adventure.
Well said, Ali. It's an adventure we share.
Yes, it is. I'm glad we're on the journey together.
Me too, Ali. Let's keep learning and growing.
Absolutely. Cheers to that.
Cheers.